Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ hybrid guys, or energy hybrid, and if you have code P2183 which relates to engine coolant temperature sensor number 2, stay with us. We'll explain what you need to check and where it's located so we can fix your problem. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy new sensor parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money on parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So we have that Ford C-Max that uses the hybrid energy configuration, but the same drivetrain, same engine has been used on Lincoln MKZ and Ford Fusion guys. This is a 2.0 hybrid engine. So now if you have that code P2183, you will guys have two coolant temperature sensors. One of them will be known as coolant temperature sensor number 2, and the purpose of that is will be located towards the heater core lines. So if you come behind that cover here on the back side, okay, if you come through that side right here now, okay, check it out. We're going to get the dash, inspection camera. We're gonna get to the heater core guys. Okay, let's go ahead, okay, and focus everything. Okay, because the camera is turned the other way. Okay, I can kind of almost see it. Okay, no, it needs to be turned that way. I see the sensor from right here. Okay, and if you come in an angle like that, okay, you will guys have the line. Okay, that's the line for the heater core. Okay, and on that line you have a 3-way, and you will have a coolant temperature sensor installed. Okay, right there. Okay, let me focus it. Okay, perfect, right there. That's a coolant temperature sensor guys. If you have code P2183, inspect the wiring harness, number 1. Number 2, make sure you don't have a broken wire. Make sure it's plugged in all the way. And number 3, it's very likely you have a bad sensor. You have to drain the coolant. Pull that spring that you see right there. Okay, that spring, pull it out. You can remove the sensor, install the new one, put the spring in to hold it in place, and you're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix that problem. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.